Alright, I'm back with another one of those boxes. We're gonna see what's in this one. It's kind of full. Alright, let's see. Big old earring. This one is Casual Corner. It says, God is within her, she will not fail. That's pretty nice. I think I'm gonna run that through the ultrasonic cleaner. Be the blessing. One of the little velvet, or not velvet, but felt backed pieces. Bangle of some sort. Little, I don't even know how to describe that. This is super cute. Super, super cute. And another one of these brand new bracelets like we got in the last one. Really pretty purple beads. These are great for layering. Got a little bear pin, so cute. I'm afraid this is gonna bust. Yeah, my hands are filthy going through the jewelry today, so please ignore them. Put that in the bling sale. Ooh, we got some tartan style, or you just call them plaid too, I guess. Clip earrings, those are cute. Horse ring, that is adorable. Yeah, it's got some wear, but that's super cute. Layered up earrings. Super cute earrings. Those are adorable. We got this necklace. It says Mom's Blessing inside, and it's got a little locket. And I guess you put your little picture in there. Let's see if... No, it's not a locket. Well, that was a missed opportunity. Okay, so... Yep. That's cute. Another one of those bracelets. Air tears, air laughter, Mom's blessing, air love. Those are cute. Just some, oh no, these are big gold hoops. I thought they were going to say that they were bangles. I thought they were going to say, yeah, the jewelry's going to start talking. If it does, I've been awake way too long. That's a great pendant. I mean, pendant. Brooch. Woo. Nice big gold earrings. There's another one of these. This one is by Canvas. It's a little clover necklace. And then we got this one. I guess that's the way these are supposed to look, because there was another one and it looked kind of worn. So I was going to just take the chain from the other one, but I guess I'll just leave it on there. I do like that the other earrings, there do appear to be matches for the earrings, so that's always good. Bar brooch with pearls. Red acrylic earrings. I could have used those a couple days ago, but it's okay. Nice little beaded necklace. Oh my gosh, is this earrings that match that bracelet? Okay, let's just stop for a minute and appreciate this. There's yes, 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 that is awesome. At least I think it's awesome. If you don't like animal print, you probably don't think it's awesome. I think there was one of these in the last. When I go to list this stuff, that'll make it easier. I have multi-quantity listings. I can't talk. A lot of vintage earrings. Just sell a lot of earrings in my shows, so it's always a good thing. This really needs a good cleaning. Some little that style earring. Oh man, other Scottish earring was broken. Hey, here's a little charm bracelet. This is cute. Okay, it's got, what's this say? I think this is probably initials. Yep, this is initials, so probably just get rid of that one. We got a little phone, a birdhouse, a little turtle. How cute. We have a cat, a little paint palette, a little bear. Okay, that's cute. And always check your charm bracelets, because sometimes you can find charms on there that are precious metals. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a little sombrero. Okay, I have to bring the box over here so I can see what else is in here. Alright, here's the other ghost earring. Some nice enamel earrings. Oh, that's so cool. Little Batman ring. Set that aside. Another little gold dot. Another one of those earrings. Little green ring. It's adjustable. Nothing special. Coin earring. Look, that matched that necklace. Looks like a star, but it's got to be cleaned. One of those. Here's the back if I want to go to the trouble to fix that one earring. That earring. That earring. Coin earring. Faux pearl earring. Other earring. And the other faux pearl earring. Alright, so that's all that's in that box. These boxes are going by quick. Got 2 more to go, so stay tuned. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that bell so you never miss a video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.